Today wasn't the easiest trading day, but we still ended up making 63% profits on SPY 443 puts. Let's get into it. This is what we did. So first thing we're looking at SPY pre-market, as you can see here, gapping down quite heavily based on the previous day's close. So closed around this 446.2. And looks like we're opening around this 443 area. It's a big drop down. Now, because of the overall market right now, I was looking to get into some more puts. But what I wanted to see first was for SPY to come up to this 444 area. And that's where we look to enter. Now, in hindsight, probably could have just taken some calls off the open here because that is still a pretty good move. But hindsight's 2020 thinking, whatever. We weren't in that trade. Now, why were we looking for this 444 area to enter puts? If we take a look at the daily chart here, as we can see, 444 right here, kind of chopping through these areas here. And as you can see, especially in these candles right here, massive support or resistance area, depending on which side you're coming from. So this is a key area we want to look out for. So back to the daily chart. As you can see above, we outlined this whole thing. So as I said, we were looking for SPY to hit 444 and then enter into some contracts, some 443 puts. And so that's exactly what we did. We actually got them on this green candle here, right around here. So 444.15, just because it had blasted through so heavily. So we got in at 55 cents, which was decent. It did move a little bit higher or move against us. So the low here was about 48 cents. So still within our risk tolerance. We just had to be a little bit patient. And then as you can see, we got this nice drop. We ended up selling right here as it moved past this 443.4 area. Got stopped out on this green candle up right here, only because I put a stop on at 90 cents. Just wanted to protect profits. I wasn't sure if this would keep going, as we did see some pretty strong moves. Now, if I'd been a little bit patient, yeah, it did move a lot lower. So you could have, I think the high here was like $1.20 or $1.30. So you could have doubled your money, but we were in for 63% profits. We're happy enough with it, so we'll take it. Now, as you can see, SPY is still moving the rest of the day. Pretty choppy. We had this nice big move up after a bounce off of 443. And now we're seeing some more chop, kind of struggling to hold this 445 area, roughly. But we're going to be done for the day. So pretty good trade, although I am a little bit disappointed that we missed Amazon, which was just a beast today. Could have made 200, 300, 400%. Yeah, this beautiful move upwards. Only reason I wasn't really paying attention to Amazon pre-market, but like holding this 133.7 area, pretty big support area, or even just down to here, 133.22, based on this close, this one. Yeah, definitely missed Amazon. Would have taken some 134 calls on this for sure, just because the move had been so big, or such a drop in the pre-market. Would have been silly not to take calls on this. But we're happy with what we did. Again, loaded everything live from our Discord. So like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.